Fáiltigí chairde, and today we are going to be learning about the counties within the province of Munster, all through the Irish language. The province of Munster gets its name from Mumhan, which originally came from the Land of Mumha's men, Mumha being a Celtic goddess. The anglicised English form includes the original Gaelic form, along with the northern suffix ster added to the end of it, ster being the Nordic word for state. Tá sé chontae gCúige mún. Tá sé chontae gCúige mún. There are 6 counties within the province of Munster. The Irish for the province of Munster is Cúige mún. Cúige mún. And the 6 counties that are within the province of Munster are as follows: County Clare, Contae and Chláir, County Cork, Contae Chorcaí, County Kerry, Contae Chiarraí, County Limerick, Contae Luimnigh, County Tipperary, Contae Árann, and
County Waterford,
Contae Láirge. I'll say that one more time for you. County Clare, Contae an Chláir, County Cork, Contae Chorcaí, County Kerry, Contae Chiarraí, County Limerick, Contae Luimnigh, County Tipperary, Contae Árann, and finally
County Waterford,
Contae Láirge. Agus sin é a chairde. For more information, more articles, and to join our online Irish community, please be sure to join us at letslearnirish.com. Bígí Portach.